In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter dates and set up password protecting in QuickBooks Online. This is a very useful feature if you want to control changes to your accounting records, especially after a certain period has been reviewed or finalized. By setting a closing date, you can help prevent accidental edits to older transactions, and by adding password protection, you create an extra layer of security before any changes can be made. To begin, sign into QuickBooks Online and look to the upper right corner of the screen. Click the gear icon to open your settings menu. From there, select Account and the Settings. This is where you manage many of the core preferences for your company file. Once the Account and Settings window opens, look at the menu on the left side and click Advanced. This section includes several options related to how your books are managed, including the controls for closing your books. Now scroll to the Accounting section and click Edit, which appears as a small pencil icon. This opens the settings you need for closing the books and restricting changes to past periods. Next, turn on the Close the Books switch. Enabling this option tells QuickBooks that you want to set a point in time before which transactions should be protected from normal changes. After that, enter your closing date. This is the exact date QuickBooks will use to block edits. In other words, any transaction dated on or before this date will be protected. After setting the date, go to the drop-down menu and choose the option that says Allow changes after viewing a warning and entering password. This setting is helpful because it still allows authorized users to make necessary adjustments, but only after they acknowledge the warning and provide the password. That gives you more control without completely locking everything down. Now enter your secure password and then confirm it by typing it again. Make sure you choose something strong but easy for authorized users to manage securely. Since this password protects important accounting records, it should be stored safely and only shared with people who truly need access. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes, then click Done to exit the settings window. And that's it. Your closing date and password protection are now in place in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple but powerful way to help protect your financial data, reduce errors, and keep your books more secure and organized.